There are a lot of vehicles that Carliner has ADAS mounting point measurements in the rear body panels and in the front body panels that you absolutely have to measure and have in exactly the right place so that ADAS is able to work effectively. If you're not doing that, then you're going to have, they're back to cycle times, tear cars back down, redo something, do something in. By being able to have that information and that accuracy to measure those points, we haven't had to disassemble a car again and try to access something to correct something so that ADAS will work properly. They go from here, they go get recalibrated, and they're out the door. Factory tolerances now have gotten a lot tighter. They used to be 3 to 5 millimeters. Now they're down to 1 to 2 to 1 to 3 millimeters. The way these vehicles are built, if things are out more than that, then it's not going to line up. It's not going to go back together. With the accuracy of it, there's no guesswork. You pre-fit parts, upper body measurements, you can check pillars, you can check door gaps, you can check a lot of things are already pre-installed into the measuring system. By being able to do that, you don't have to pre-fit parts, you don't have to do things that take extra labor to get the vehicle done, so it helps you process the job faster out the door and it's more accurate. The revenue does go up quite a bit. We're able to accurately blueprint the vehicle to make sure that it's safe to drive again, or to make sure all the points are, the measuring points are accurate for reassembly and for alignment. It takes a lot of additional time to do things without having that accuracy, and by doing that, our cycle times get faster. We can produce more vehicles through the shop with a higher margin of profit.